Friday. Um, have you ever gotten a really bad, super painful, ouchy bite that bothers you kind of for a long time? So, my little nugget over here, he got some bites really bad. Were they ant bites or mosquito bites?
Ant bites.
Those ant bites are really bad, and just like for mosquitoes, when they put their stinger in or when they bite, they're also giving off just a little bit of kind of like poison, and so it often makes your skin swell up and look really, really bad. So this morning, this is what happened to my little nugget. Can you guys see here? Where like he has like little spots there and one up there. I'm bad at showing people. And then on the other part of his leg, just on the same leg but other side, he had another bad one here and there. And so we really needed to give him some help, and we have like little mixes. I thought maybe you guys probably have some essential oils at your home too, and maybe you need to be able to make up a good mix, because during the summertime when we all go outside to play, we often get mosquito bites and ant bites. We live in Florida, so we get a lot of those. So this is a picture of the mosquito bite after we have already put some essential oils on it. You notice you pretty much can't even tell where those were, right? Because this stuff really helps it clear up. So this little nugget here, he's gonna start with On Guard. Oh, let me just show you guys the recipe. I forgot. Okay, so here's your ant and bug bite relief recipe. And this you'll notice it's a total of 20 drops that go in the roller bottle, and then the rest you use fractionated coconut oil. Again, if you only have avocado oil or olive oil or some other natural kind of oil like that, you can use that too. I'm not sure what batter oil is, but yes, if you can find an oil, that'd be great. Okay, so this one is On Guard, and this little nugget, On Guard essential oil, and this little nugget is going to count out 10 drops, and he's going to hold the bottle at a 45-degree angle so that we can put the drops in. Okay, go ahead. You count 10?
Yeah.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Fantastic! That was perfect. Did you guys see how good he counted? Okay, that was On Guard, and we did that one because there's one of the oils in the blend that doTERRA puts out is clove, and clove works on the calcium channel to make the pain go away, just like when we go to the dentist office, and sometimes they'll have like a little swab of something. Rub it. They'll rub it on a tooth or something like that if they have to do some more investigation or poke around.
Surprise!
My little surprise here. He's stealing the show, isn't he? So clove makes the pain go away. So when we put that on somebody's bite, right, like where you used to have the bite down here, then the pain goes away. Now, the other thing that I really like to put in this one is Purify. Can you help me? Can you help me put this in the roller bottle too? Yeah. So you need 10 of these drops. Can you count 10 again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, those ones went a little faster, didn't they? Yeah, Purify has a lot of citrus oils in it, and the reason for that is because citrus oils are cleansing. They help to purify, and whenever those mosquitoes and those ants bite us, they get some of the stuff in there.
And then there's more drops.
Talking while I'm talking. This little. Okay, so sweet kiddos who are watching. After you have the 10 of the On Guard and 10 Purify, what are we going to put in here now?
And we're going to put in, no.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, okay, we got to put in a fractionated coconut oil. So we're going to, we have it in a dropper bottle this time. That way it makes it a little easier for him to aim it. Lovely. Yep, okay, to another one. So if you guys don't yet have the doTERRA essential oils and you want something that really works super well, make sure mom reaches out to me. I love, love, love to support moms as they're helping kiddos to learn how to be empowered and be healers in their own home. So if that's you and you need mom to get some good supplies, definitely reach out to me. Okay, so we got our fractionated coconut oil in there, and we're only doing it up to about like what we call like the shoulder of the roller bottle, and that's because once we put the top on and start to shake it, we need to have a little bit of room to shake. Are you going to be a good shaker for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, and then after we shake this, we're going to shake 33 times. It's a special number. Can you shake?
1, 2.
This one you don't have to count that loud from me. You can just go shake, 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 shake,
1,
shake, shake.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Don't forget, guys, you gotta put a label on this stuff,
Hey,
okay?
what did you say?
Just keep shaking. You gotta put a label on this because otherwise you'll forget what it's for, okay? So make sure you know that it's either for mosquito bites or ant bites or bug bites or something like that. And be sure also to put away any of the oils or the fractionated coconut oil that you got out, okay? Your mom does want you to be empowered and have these things around, but if you leave all your stuff out after getting them, then she's not going to be very happy, right? Okay, so quick shout out for a couple other things that you need to know. If you, okay, so the On Guard and the Purify, I think are really good for those painful ones that have a lot of the poison in them. But if you guys only have like the tea tree melaleuca or the lavender around, you can just substitute those ones, and they won't cut the pain quite as well, but they are still really, really good. Now, if you happen to have kind of like an allergy to mosquito bites, and we have a good friend who does, that one you're going to want to use the Roman chamomile for some healing. So if you guys just, you get bit and it just gets like almost like a bloody mess and looks terrible because it's scratching, then you probably need the Roman chamomile even more than the lavender, but the lavender can be really soothing. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys to know what to reach for whenever you have bites on your leg or arm or whatever while you're out having fun for the summer. And you guys, I just want you to stay courageous and keep loving your oils, and we will see you again next week on Friday. Bye!